How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you watch these videos and enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, today, what we got going on, I have to change this kickstand spring on an 01 Sportster. Now, this is something I haven't done in, I'm guessing, 40 or 50 years. The mid-frame kickstands are a lot different than the forward kickstands that you get on the big twins. It's a bit more difficult because it's underneath the primary, and I'm guessing the spring itself is shot. What the kickstand's doing, it's hanging it up when you try to put it down. And you get it to a point and it just doesn't want to go, and you got to play with it a little bit to get it down. So I'm guessing the spring is worn out, but after 25 years, it's entitled. But to change the spring on one of these, you have to take the pin that holds it out. So what we're going to be doing, we're not only going to change the spring, we're going to change the pin that holds it in, and we're going to be changing the bushings. So, enough said, we'll get right to it. Okay, the first thing we got to do is, according to the manual, mugs up. Okay, buddy, I know you like this. You're trying to help me. Now, according to the service manual, this rubber piece here, this rubber bumper, this is what stops the kickstand when you retract it. So it says you have to remove this. So we'll kind of just pull this off the frame. It's supposed to give you more room, and we'll just put this off to the side. And up under here, I don't know how well you can see it, but right here, there's a quarter pin and a pin, and you can see the stand and everything there. So what we have to do is we have to retract this, and then we're going to have to pull that quarter pin out of there. So we'll get that done. Okay, and you can see the kickstand won't come down. It just hangs up. You got to press down on it and it'll finally come down. So now we got to get that quarter pin out of there. So we're going to try to film this as best we can. It's dark under here. There's not a whole lot of room, but we're going to do what we can do. Not enough room up on top to get a screwdriver in there. So I got to go in through the bottom. There we go. Let's see how much of it is out. It's coming. And I can't get in there behind it to squish those together any more than I've got them now. I know you're not going to be able to see much of this. So we just need a little stronger screwdriver at this point. Get it up in there. It's coming, but it's coming slow. There we go. We got that in there. And we knocked the camera over. Okay, we got the pin out. When the pin pulled out, my arm hit the camera and knocked the camera over. But there's the Carter pin. We're not reusing this. We're putting a whole different pin in. And now we get the pin itself out. And what it says in the manual to get this, you get the pin down. Let's see. So it clears the first bushing. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Well, this isn't going to cooperate at all, I don't think. We're going to take that whole pin right out of there. There's the pin. And there's the spring. And now the kickstand's off. Okay, now we're over on the workbench. Now here's the pin that came out of there. And that pin can probably be used again, but we're not going to use it. Now, this is the bottom bushing. And you can see that's deformed. And this is the top bushing, and that's been ate away. So that's why the kickstand was hanging up. So what we're going to do now, and there's a spring, but I don't know how long that spring's been on there, but I'm guessing this is worn out. So we're going to take and we're going to clean the mount up on the frame, and then we're going to be installing this brand new pin and 2 bushings, and we got a different type of clip than the Carter pin, which will be easier to get on and off. And we're going to be putting on a new spring. So we'll go over and we'll get everything cleaned up, and we're going to put a little grease in there, and we'll get back to putting this together. Okay, what we're doing now, we've got a little bit of bearing grease, and we're just coating the inside of the kickstand where that pin slides in. You don't want to put a whole lot in there. That's why I'm using a Q-tip. But you just want to cover everything like that, so everything is nice and slick inside. And we're going to do the same thing on the 2 holes on the frame, and we're going to do the same thing inside these bushings here. That I'm not going to film because you just saw how I did it, and that's just going to be repetitive. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the bushings back in here. They've been all greased up, which is, we'll put the lower one in first. Now, according to the manual, this is how they go in, with the lip on top. The one I took off, the lip was on the bottom. Okay, now they're both in there. Now the next thing we do is we're gonna hook up the spring. Okay, now we got the spring hooked up in there. And now we just got to line this pin up. There we go, there's one. Now trying to get it through this one is going to be a little bit challenging. Yeah, like I said, I haven't done one of these in 40 or 50 years, and I don't miss it. There we go. We got the angle on it now. There we go. And now you take the other bushing and we're going to have to knock this down a little bit, I think. I don't remember having this much fun doing this the last time. But then time makes bad things easier. I can't get that bushing over there. So I got to take the pin and I got to kind of walk it down just a bit so I can slip it over there. There we go. Maybe that's enough. Let's see if we can get it in there over the top of that clevis pin. Oh, need a little bit more. There we go. Hopefully that'll do it. I don't know how much of this is going to come out on the camera because it's so dark under here. Oh, I lost the bushing. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it goes. That's it. It's going in now. We might have to wiggle this around just a tad to get it to pop down in there. There it goes. She went down into the hole. And now we're going to hold the bushing while we get the top of it up here. And I don't know how much you can see, but there it is right there. The bushings are in. And now we're going to try to get this pin in there, which I'm sure is going to be just all kinds of fun. we go. It's on there. And now you can see the kickstand works just fine. And now we put the little stopper back on there. Probably should have got a new one of these too. This thing's 25 years old. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, let's get the kickstand down. Give myself a little bit more room to work. There we go. Oop. And now the kickstand goes up and down just fine. So that's it. So I hope this helps somebody. And until next time, I thank you for watching. Until next time, everybody be safe out there.